Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all promotions in Gmail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Gmail has a promotions folder built into your account, and if you want to delete all promotions, all you have to do is go to the Promotions tab. Then, click the Select box at the top, which will select everything inside Promotions on the first page. You'll see a little box pop up that says Select all conversations in Promotions, and you'll need to click on that. Once you've done that, simply go to the Delete button. Since this is a bulk action, Gmail will ask for confirmation, so just click OK. Now, depending on how many emails there are, it might take a little longer to delete them all. You'll notice that it deletes some emails, but others may still appear as if they haven't been deleted yet. If you give Gmail about 5 or 10 minutes and then refresh the page, you'll find that the rest of the emails have been deleted. This is typical behavior with bulk actions. It processes the first 50 or so quickly, then takes a bit more time to handle the rest. After that, you can go to the More drop-down menu to find your trash folder. Inside your trash, you'll see all of those deleted messages from the Promotions tab. You might want to wait a bit to make sure all the deletions have been processed. Once you're ready, just click the Empty Trash Now button to permanently delete all those messages. And that's how you can delete all promotions in Gmail. And that's it. So that's basically how you can delete all promotions in Gmail. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.